Hey, what's going on, guys? Jay here from EasyBladeShavingProducts.com. Just wanted to introduce our new Easy Blade Exposure X razor. Okay, guys, it comes with a safety pouch, as you guys can see, and the Easy Blade Exposure X is solid metal, well built. It comes with a nice tension screw, and what's cool about our tension screw is it allows you to adjust the double-edged razor wherever you want it to be. If you like your double-edged razor high, if you like it low. A lot of companies build the razors the way they think the exposure should be, but every exposure is not for everybody. So what's cool about the Easy Blade Exposure X razor is you can adjust the razor to where you want it to be with this tension screw. Okay, guys? And if you don't like exposed razor and you just like the blade, you can go ahead and take off our tension screw. You can open it up, and we have the standard notches, so you can have your blade standard the way you want it to be. Okay, that's the cool part. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how to expose your razor. You're going to grab your double-edged razor of your choice. Today we're using the Easy Blade double-edged razors. Rip that in half. You're going to take out your razor and go ahead and place it to where you want it to be. So I'm going to go ahead and place it where I think my exposure should be. Like I said, you can use the standard notches, or you can put it a little higher. A lot of barbers like their razors pretty exposed. So I'm going to do it where I like mine at. So I'm just going to put it exactly where I want it at. And that's the exposed razor for you guys. And you want to go ahead and put your tension screw on, and you want to tighten that up. So I tighten it up where I think it should be, and it's nice and tight. And there you go. I have a nice exposed razor. Again, you can adjust the razor where you think it should be. It can be lower, it can be higher, whatever works for you. Okay, this is probably where I would like my exposed razor to be. Okay, again, you got your tension screw, you got your standard notches where you can put the blade at, blade of your choice. You can fit any type of razor in here, actually. Again, solid powder coated black, comes with a safety pouch. Put that in there. Make sure, you know, if you're a traveling barber, kids don't touch it. You don't put your hand in your bag and cut yourself by mistake. Yeah, so here we go. Talk to you guys soon. Hope you guys like the Easy Blade exposed razor.